Hi everyone! Today, we're gonna make a tasty 1 spoon of pork cutlet. It's really yummy and crispy, so it'll be a perfect meal for kids and even adults. Let's start cooking! First layer is a crispy pork cutlet. At the grocery store, you need to buy boneless pork loin center cut. It's about adult palm size and usually have 6 to 8 slices. Luckily, I have 9 slices. On a thick cutting board, I covered with plastic wrap and put 1 pork loin in the center, and then cover with another plastic wrap. With meat pounder, keep pounding until the meat size gets doubled and thickness-wise gets half size thinner evenly. This process will tenderize the meat. Repeat this process to all pork slices. Then, sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of pork loins. Put pork loins in the bowl. And add 2 cups of milk. Cover with plastic wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for an hour. This process will make pork more tender and get rid of any bad smell. After 1 hour, get ready 2 plates. Pour 1 cup of flour on 1 plate and pour 1 cup of breadcrumbs on the other plate. Then, bring 1 bowl out and crack 2 large eggs and mix it. Take out pork loins from the milk and cover with flour first and dip it in the egg mixture. Then, cover with breadcrumbs. Pork loins has to cover with breadcrumbs completely, so flip multiple times and cover with breadcrumbs. Repeat this process to all pork slices. You definitely need more breadcrumbs, so add 1 cup at a time. Pour half cup of oil in a pan with a medium-high heat. Then place pork loin and cook for 3 minutes. When one side is cooked, flip it and cook 2 more minutes. When it's done, take pork cutlets out and leave it on the frying rack for 2 minutes to remove some oils. Second layer is savory pork cutlet sauce. In a small saucepan, pour 1 whole bottle of pork cutlet sauce. I bought this from Korean grocery store. There are 2 different sizes of bottles, and I used small one today. You can choose depends on the pork cutlet amount. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and boil it. If you want more lighter sauce, you can add 1/3 to 1/2 cup of water. Depends on your taste. This will make the sauce more lighter and less salty. I normally add water, but today I used thick sauce for presentation. So don't forget to add water if you want lighter and less salty sauce. Third layer is refreshing cabbage salad. Get 1/4 of cabbage ready. Slice cabbage really thinly. If you can't slice thinly with knife, you can use peeler or slicer instead. When it's all sliced, then mix with the ketchup and mayonnaise to make salad. Last layer is sweet corn. I bought the Green Giant whole kernel sweet corn. Be really careful when you open any cans. Finally, we made tasty 1 spoon of pork cutlet at home. Inside of pork is really soft and outside is really crispy. Also, it's perfect weekend lunch for kids. Make your meal special. How about try pork cutlet this weekend? Please like and subscribe.